We'll start with ALBT. I see a number of you folks are already chatting about this here. Let me go ahead and load up the chart first. Here's your 5-minute chart. Wow, big move here. So this was a penny stock into dollar territory. Avalon Global Care shares are trading higher after the company announced that it has been accepted into the Advanced Micro Devices AI Developer Program. You were breaking this news, or at least chatting it there, or chatting about it in the chat. So I'll let you take care of that. Let me do the quick runaround here. Short interest, 3.43% of the float is shorted with 1.39 days to cover. That comes on an average 100-day volume, pretty small, 279,000. It is traded 90 million shares. The float here is 3.8 million. So 13, what's the chart tell you here on this one?
Well, I'm looking at the 5-minute chart right now, and we've been trying to get over this 130 area for a while now. We've only been able to test it a couple of times, and I'm waiting to see if this current candle that we have right here is actually going to take us over that 128, 130 area. As the news had mentioned, this is a partnership with AMD as part of their their AI developer program. Being that this is a very small company that wasn't really getting a whole lot of attention paid to it, this is some really good news. The float, 3.87 million shares. The company does need cash, but I think the next earnings report that we get from them, which is supposed to happen at the end of March, will provide more clarity on what their cash position is like and what their finances are like. But it looks like they are going to have to raise some capital at some point, because they don't have a whole lot on their balance sheet, and they didn't see any capital raises of recent. So
okay.
So that's kind of what where I'm at with that. It's great news, but I'm not. I get the sense that they're going to have to raise some capital, because I didn't notice anything about them having more cash than what's on their balance sheet right now.
Okay, now I'm reading through the PR here. This is a quote. Acceptance into the AMD AI Developer Program reinforces AQAI's technical capabilities as we expand our AI-driven media and automation platforms. That came from Ming Lee, the interim CEO and chief operating officer. She goes on to say, Avalon has been strategically repositioning itself as a technology-focused AI company, with AQAI serving as a core growth driver in automated media production and enterprise AI applications. 13, this seems to be like the company's trying to kind of like turn around into this new thing, and this is their big bet. And so this makes me wonder, if this doesn't work or does not work as fast as anticipated, does this spell more trouble for this company? And I think you bring up a great point about the potential capital raise.
Yeah, I just didn't see anything about them having cash, and they're not quite profitable yet. So they're going to need the cash. I just don't know where it's going to come from, and I didn't see anything about them having it. As far as the chart here, though, if we can hold above VWAP, there's still some higher prints that we can push. I mean, it looks like we're trying to make that push through that 128, 130 spot right now.
Sure does.
So we'll see if we end up getting that here. But I want to see more volume out of this, because that's what's concerning me right now, is we just don't have the volume to get through all these sellers here from 125 to 135. And then there's even more sellers above that around 150. So we need to see an increase in volume here to get to this resistance.